Welcome to Vision Academy, Daily Current Affairs in English. Date June 30th, 2021. Let's start with international news. WHO declares China malaria free after 70 years of effort. The WHO World Health Organization declared China malaria free on Wednesday after a 70-year-old effort to eradicate the disease. China used to report around 30 million cases per year in 1940s. Since then, government effort and initiative led to a steady decline in cases. China has become the 40th country to declare malaria-free country. INS Dabar reached Alexandria port. Indian naval ship INS Dabar, which has been deployed for naval exercise with friendly nations in Europe and Africa, arrived at Alexandria port in Egypt on June 27th as part of the goodwill visit. The visit aims to strengthen the relationship between two sides and also explore newer avenues of bolstering the relationship. National news. Haryana to give rupees 6 crore to Tokyo Olympics gold winner. The Haryana government today announced that sportsperson from the state who win gold medal in the upcoming Tokyo Olympics would be given a cash amount of rupees 6 crore. The state government will give the silver winners rupees 4 crore while the bronze medalist will get a rupees 2.50 crore. Goa is first rabies-free state in the country. Goa has not reported a single rabies cases in the last 3 years, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said on Wednesday, making Goa the first rabies-free state in the country. We have now achieved 5,40,593 vaccination against the rabies in dogs and educated nearly a lakh people in dog bite prevention across Goa, as well as set up 24 hours rabies surveillance involving an emergency hotline and rapid response team for a dog bite victim. The Chief Minister told reporters after a cabinet meeting on Wednesday. Tamil Nadu news. New findings in Keeladi excavation. Bottom bowls used in ancient times are increasingly found in Keeladi excavation. An earthenware vessel used by ancient men in Keeladi excavation near Thirubuvan, Sivagangai district. They have made different type of clay pots and burnt it. Bottom like baking pots are highly available, this in funnel-like shape. Japan to provide India $10 million to help build cold chain facilities for vaccines. Japan will provide India $10 million assistance to build cold chain facilities for safe storage of vaccines, a statement from Japanese embassy. This assistance will provide India with cold chain equipment including medical equipment such as cold storage facilities as last 1 mile support to ensure vaccination in each country through United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF. The first district in the country to achieve 100% vaccination target for treble. All tribes over age of 18 are currently vaccinated due to unreasonable effort of the district administration. This makes the Nilagiri first district in the country to provide 100% vaccination to tribals. Appointments. Tamil Nadu's new DGP C. Sailendra Babu takes charge. C. Sailendra Babu, a 1987 batch IPS officer, will take charge as a new DGP of Tamil Nadu from July 1. He will replace J.K. Tirupati, who is set to retire from service at the end of this month. C. Sailendra Babu from Kanyakumari district. In 2012, he was promoted to rank of ADGP and served in the Coastal Security Guard Law and Order. In 2017, he was made the ADGP of IG of Prison. Thereafter, in 2019, he was promoted to rank of the DGP in Railway Department in Chennai. Sailendra Babu has won several prestigious awards, including the President's Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 2005, the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service in 2013, and the Chief Minister Medal for Excellence in Public Service in 2009. Vigilance Commissioner Suresh Patel to act as CVC. Vigilance Commissioner Suresh N. Patel will act as a Central Vigilance Commissioner in the Central Vigilance Commission, according to the Personal Ministry notification. The appointment was necessitated after Sanjay Kothari completed his term. The commission is headed by the CVC and can have a maximum of 2 Vigilance Commissioner. Awards. R.K. Sabharwal gets High Civilian Award of a Mongolia country. R.K. Sabharwal has been honored with the highest civilian award, the Order of Polar Star, for an outstanding contribution towards the establishment of first ever oil refinery in Mongolia. Sabharwal was bestowed with honor by His Excellency the President of Mongolia, Ukhne Kurulshuk, for an outstanding contribution towards the establishment of first ever oil refinery in Mongolia. Important days. International MISME Day 2021. The United Nations observes Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises Day on June 27th every year since 2017 to recognize the contribution of these industries in the implementation of Sustainable Development Goals. The General Assembly declared 27 June Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Day. Theme of this day is the key to an inclusive and sustainable recovery. Expected questions. Question number 1. Who has been appointed as a new DGP of Tamil Nadu? Option A, Tirupati. Option B, Sailendra Babu. Option C, Karan Sinha. Option D, Sunil Kumar Singh. Answer, Sailendra Babu. Question number 2. Which country has been declared eradicated of malaria by the WHO? Option A, Malaysia. Option B, India. Option C, China. Option D, South Korea. Answer, China. Question number 3. In which district is the Tirumbaram located? Option A, Madurai. Option B, Tenkasi. Option C, Sivagangai. Option D, Kanyakumari. Answer, Sivagangai. Question number 4. The Order of Polar Star Award was given to which Indian country by Mongolia? Option A, R.K. Sabharwal. Option B, Narendra Modi. Option C, Rajnath Singh. Option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. Answer, R.K. Sabharwal. Question number 5. Which Indian Navy ship reached the port of Alexandria for naval exercise? Option A, INS Tabar. Option B, INS Kesari. Option C, INS Virar. Option D, INS Vikrant. Answer, INS Tabar. Question number 6. In which Indian state was the Olympic gold medalist announced the prize of rupees 6 crore? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Assam. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Kerala. Answer, Haryana. Question number 6. In which Indian state announced that eradication of rabies completely? Option A, Goa. Option B, Tamil Nadu. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Sikkim. Answer, Goa. Question number 8. When was International MISME Day observed? Option A, June 26. Option B, June 27. Option C, June 28. Option D, June 30th. Answer, June 27. Question number 9. How many $1 million has Japan provided to India to set up storage cold chain facilities to protect the vaccine? Option A, $10 million. Option B, $30 million. Option C, $20 million. Option D, $40 million. Answer, $10 million. Question number 10. Who has been appointed as a Central Vigilance Commissioner? Option A, Nitish Kumar. Option B, Suresh Patel. Option C, Sivakumar. Option D, Madhava Krishnan. Answer, Suresh Patel. Which district in the country has 100% vaccinated tribal people? Option A, Chengalpattu. Option B, Dindigul. Option C, Nilgiris. Option D, Krishnagiri. Answer, Nilgiris. For more current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy YouTube channel. For the regular notification, press the bell icon without fail. Thank you.